All right, so for this one, very similar to the last one, first thing I gotta do is calculate the slope of the perpendicular line. So basically they're saying we need to write the equation of a line that passes through this point, but it's perpendicular to a line that passes through these two other points. So let's find the slope of the original line. M is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. X sub 2 minus x sub 1. Yeah, I got it right. So anyways, this is x sub 2. Oh no, I'm sorry, x sub 1, y sub 1. I'm saying the wrong thing, writing the right thing down. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, what's y sub 2, guys? 15. What's y sub 1? 6. What's x sub 2? 3. What's y sub 1? 3. So what we end up with is 9 over 0. Did that throw you guys off? No. So this is undefined. Okay. However, the slope of the perpendicular line would be like 0 over 9, right? Wouldn't it? And since that reduces down to 0, the positive or negative doesn't matter. So we have a slope of 0 that passes through the point x, 1, y1. So we're still able to crank through. I'm going to say 1 minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. So we get y minus y1. What's y1? 7. My slope is 0. X minus x1. This is the other x1, which is 4. Here's the interesting thing. 0 times x is going to be 0. 0 times 4 is going to be 0. This whole thing equals 0. Okay. I could still solve for y. When I add 7 to both sides, I get y equals 7. Now, that seems weird, but it is not. So let's graph it and see what it looks like. So in here, I'm going to do 3, 6. So my 2 points, I'm going to do 3, 6, and then 3, 15. Right? And over here, I'm going to do 3, 15. And what you're going to find is what? Oh, wait, I did it wrong. 15. I've got to zoom out a little bit. That's a vertical line, isn't it? Technically, you're not going to, I don't know if you guys remember this or not, but that is x equals 3. That's not a function. It's a mathematical representation for sure, but it's not a function. But those 2 points pass through that one. Then we said that our equation was y equals, was it positive or negative 7? Positive 7, yeah. All right. And we were told that it passes through the point, what was it, 4, 7? Yeah, 4, 7. So if I plug this point in, 4, 7, everything adds up, right? See how that works? Take a screenshot. So y equals a number is always going to be a function, but essentially the slope is 0. Whenever we have a slope that's 0, it's a horizontal line. Whenever the slope is undefined, we're going to have a vertical line. Does that make sense? So let's jot that down real quick. Well, did I take a picture of that? Yeah, I think I did. So it's going to look like this. So remember this, and you should know this from Algebra 1, but when When m, let me draw that in a different color so you guys can remember this. Oops. When m equals 0, that is a horizontal line. When m equals 0 over a number, we'll just call this actually I got to do it the other way around. We'll say a over 0 equals undefined. That is a vertical line.